Dan Moskal here, and in this video we are going to rearrange just some of the layout and formatting issues with our website. Um, what we want to do is we want to take the author box and we're going to put it over here, over the books. Then we're going to have books, and then maybe we'll put subscribe at the very top. But we want to put our recent posts, I think is what we're going to do. We're going to stick over here on this side. Yes, and then depending on the time, we may get down to this bottom and talk about the footer and adding some different things in there. So this is using the Genesis frameworks with the 1140 theme, and we are going to make some videos here in the future to customize and kind of remove some of these colors and make them fully custom, along with probably the background. So check out some more of our YouTube videos here in the future or already. So what we want to do first is go over to our WordPress website, and we want to check out the well, we'd still be in the widgets right here, so we'll just stay with the widgets, but go to your widgets screen, because what we're really moving is just these little widgets around. We're not really changing anything actually on our WordPress website. So this is the primary sidebar. Your theme may be unique, but the primary sidebar is usually going to be the one on the right, kind of the big one where sidebars usually are. And the secondary sidebar is the one on the left. So what we wanted to do was take our user profile and put it over these. This is our books, this text one right here, that books widget with Amazon. And then so here's our user profile. We'll do that at the top, and we'll put our subscribe above that. And then recent posts, we'll do recent posts over on this side. The custom menu was our about us, privacy policy, contact us stuff. We'll put that over just above, I guess, featured posts. Let's see how it looks now. The one thing you may need to do is hit save, but as you can see, if we want to put something in as the title or in the header right hand box, that would be like right around here. So let's just go ahead and see what our website looks like now. Okay, cool. I think this is much better. So as you can see, this box is a little bit too big, and we changed that in another video. If you've written a book, check out our other video if you want to know how to add a widget. But I like this much better. It looks very good. This is going to be your menus option up here in the top. And let's go ahead and customize, do a few more little tweaks. So that's the site title and tagline. Navigation, this is the primary navigation. Our secondary navigation, let's see what it'll look like. Should give us a preview. Maybe not. Okay, for some reason it's there. We go. It just shows up underneath it if you saw. And if you want to see, let's just go ahead and look at this. This is using the news theme. This is what our website was using, just to compare the two. The reason I changed mine was because the AdSense earnings seem to have dropped within my niche. I don't know if it has to do with the theme or not, but figure we'll try it and find out, which is why we switched back over to the 1140. So the widgets and menus is a good place to customize, and then obviously clicking on the editor will actually take you to the style sheet. Now this is how to get really custom. So you can change the font on your website. You can also change the widths. So for example, if we wanted to make this sidebar width bigger, we could go in here to the editor, and we would have to look at it a little bit and look at it in some detail, but we would be able to customize that if we wanted to. The one thing you do have to kind of be careful with is some of these options. And before you change anything, I would recommend having selected it all and copied it, and then just put it in some sort of backup document just in case you make a bad change and you need to take it back. You'll lose a lot of work. I've lost a bunch of work over the years, but this is using Genesis. They have some good themes that I would definitely suggest using. They also provide you with a framework which is supposed to be more SEO friendly. However, I've also had success using just the free themes that WordPress provides with the search engines. This is how you can change your color style. The layout would be right here. Heck, we'll even try that and see how that looks with the here's your breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are this up here, but we're going to try that and see if that box will show up better. Actually do it like this. This is where you should put like your Google Webmaster Tools code in, so you can track the visitors and see where they're coming from and how they're getting to your website. So you see how it just changed? So that's obviously too big. We could take out these recent posts there and stick it down over here or in our footer if we wanted to. I'm not sure quite what we'll do, but we'll figure it out and have fun playing around with your website. For more tips, visit danmoskeluniversity.com, and you can also pick up a copy of our most recent book over here at Amazon titled How to Create a Website Easy Button by Dan Moskel. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Please comment below and let me know what your troubles or problems or what you're need some help with. So have a good afternoon.